Hi, I'm retired Navy SEAL Chris Sajnog, author of Navy SEAL Shooting. And one of the top 20 most frequently asked questions I get is a firearm even right for me? Now, start your timer as I share with you 5 questions to help you decide if a firearm is right for you in today's 5 and under 5 FAQ.
Joining me now is retired Navy SEAL sniper, Chris Sajnog.
All right, so this may sound strange coming from a firearms instructor, but firearms aren't made for everybody, and you need to decide if a firearm is right for you. And there's a few questions that I'm gonna give to you, and hopefully they will help you decide if you should have a firearm or maybe you shouldn't have a firearm. Number 1 is, can you use any other options besides a firearm? Don't automatically think if you need to protect yourself that a firearm is going to be the best option for you. There's tons of other options out there. So what other options could you use? Could you use pepper spray? Could you use a knife? Could you use a big wooden stick? Whatever you do, ask the question, because when you start asking questions, that's when your mind is going to give you the answers you need. So number 1, are there any other options you can use? All right, number 2, do you have the mental stability to own a firearm? I mean, let's face it, there are some crazy people out there, and unfortunately, crazy people don't know they're crazy. But if you have mental issues, I highly recommend against owning a firearm, because something might set you off and you need to be in total control of your mental faculties if you are going to own a firearm. So take that into consideration. Do you have the mental stability to own a firearm? All right, number 3 is, where do you live? If you're looking to, say, protect your home and you live in a small apartment complex, that might not be the best option for a firearm. Or maybe you live someplace that doesn't allow you to own a firearm. Then that probably wouldn't be a good choice either, because I want you to follow the law, people. All right, so where do you live? Is it a good place to own a firearm, or is it not? Remember, just ask these questions and you'll come up with the right answer. All right, number 4, along those same lines of where do you live, who do you live with? Do you live with small children that could get access to the firearm? Obviously, you need to protect them and keep it in a safe place. Or maybe you live with one of those people who they don't have the mental faculties and the stability to have a firearm in the home. So you need to think about that. Not just you having the firearm, but who else might be able to get to that firearm when you're not around. All right, last but not least, this is my favorite one. Number 5, do you have the time to train to use that firearm safely and effectively? Because if you don't have time to train, if you don't know how to train or where to start, then do not start by going out and buying a firearm. You need to make sure that for your safety and everybody else's safety around you, that you have the time and the ability to train effectively with that firearm. All right, that is it for today's FAQ. Make sure you ask yourself these 5 questions before deciding if a firearm is right for you. And please check out my other 19 5 and under 5 FAQ videos to continue paving your path to perfection. Hey guys, if you like this video and you want to learn more, I put together 20 videos with the best training advice I've learned over the past 25 years of training others, and I want to give those to you absolutely free. Just click on the iCard that just popped up or go to chrissajnog.com/free videos, and I'll not only send you those 20 free videos, I'll also send you a free PDF copy of my New Rules of Marksmanship Manifesto, which is the framework for everything I teach. So here's what I want you to do right now. Click on the iCard or go to chrissajnog.com/free videos, and I'll see you on the other side.